Hello everybody, Mr. Fritz here, and this is a problem from the review packet. It's number 7 on page 4, so you can follow along with me there. I typed it out here, and let's work on this one together. We want to find an equation in slope-intercept form for the line that has a slope 1/3 and passes through 3, 8. So some important bits of information. We want the slope-intercept form, so right off the bat we know that that is y equals mx plus b form. That's what we want to have our final answer look like. Other important bits of information, we have a slope of 1/3 and it passes through this point. So remember, we want to take a look at what we know and we're solving for what we don't know. So what are our knowns? We know that m equals 1/3 and we have an xy coordinate which is equal to -3, 8. And that says -3, let's try that again, 8. That looks a little bit better. Okay, and what is unknown? Well, we're looking for b. We want to get this equation. We have our m, we need our b, because remember the slope-intercept form should contain what the slope is and what the intercept is. So we know what the slope is, but we don't know what the intercept is, and that's what we're looking for to complete this formula. So what do? We just take what we know and we plug it in to this formula. So we have, I'm going to take this y, 8, equals, I'm going to take this slope, 1/3, times this x plus b. So all I've done here is I've taken my 1/3, my m, plugged it in for m. I've taken my x, plugged it in for x. Taken my y, plugged in for y. Now be careful here, don't make the mistake of switching your x's and your y's. This x needs to go where x comes from in the formula. This y, pick a different color here, this y needs to go where the y belongs in the formula. Don't switch those up. At this point, all we're doing is we're solving for b. So let's see, if I multiply this through, I'm going to get that 3 to cancel with this 3, and to become a 1. Can't forget my negative here. Whoops. Becomes a 1, becomes a 1. I don't want to forget my negative. So I'm going to have 8 equals -1 plus b. From here, I'm going to be adding 1 to both sides. This goes away. So I'm going to get 9 equals b. At this point, I've got b equals 9, and I have my slope of 1/3. So that's all I need. My final equation is going to be y equals something x plus something. What goes in here? My m goes here, and my b goes here. Make sure you have that x in there, make sure you have that y in there. My final equation that I'm going to have here is y equals 1/3 x, that came from here, plus, and what's my b? 9. If you want to see it written again, in kind of a neater form, 1/3 x plus 9. And that's it. There you go. And if you want to take a look at all this work on a PDF, something you can print out, I've added a copy of it down below in the description. So that's for you to have. Enjoy!